blind this time I pick up after my dog. I always gotta have a bag ready so I don't lose her spot. Definitely make sure the hair's always up. Trained her to go on command, so that really helps. Good girl. I could tell how she's going because the tension on the leash and how long she squats. I gotta get down real quick, basically feel around till I find it. You also gotta feel for the heat. It takes technical skill. Drop the cane, take the bag from the bottom, flip it. Oh. You gotta do the quick smell test on the hand. Make sure you didn't get any on yourself. I think dogs think it's weird that we pick up their poop and carry it around. Don't put it in the recycling. One love.